In my more than 20 years of study in medicine, these are by far the most anti-inflammatory healing things that I've ever come across. We get them through the consumption of fiber.
In this video, they're talking about the anti-inflammatory effects of dietary fiber. We do have multiple lines of evidence to indicate that dietary fiber is indeed anti-inflammatory. However, it's kind of hard to imagine how dietary fiber could be anti-inflammatory if it is a non-digestible component of food, meaning many types of fiber come out the same way that they come in. The anti-inflammatory effects of dietary fiber appear to be due to the fact that our gut microbiome. The anti-inflammatory effects of dietary fiber appear to be driven by our gut microbiome, because our gut microbiome can ferment dietary fiber and produce short-chain fatty acids, namely a molecule called butyrate. To frame this discussion, we have trillions of microbial cells within our intestinal tract. Surrounding these microbial cells is the largest concentration of immune cells in the entire human body. Given that it is the immune system's job to detect and destroy microbial cells, there must be some mechanism by which our immune system develops tolerance to the microbes inside of our intestinal tract, because a misregulated response of the immune system would lead to a fairly inflammatory reaction between our immune system and our gut microbial cells. The answer appears to be the short-chain fatty acid butyrate, which again is produced through the consumption of dietary fiber. Butyrate can essentially activate different receptors all throughout the intestinal tract and on immune cells, leading them to produce a host of factors including IL-10, which is considered anti-inflammatory and an immunosuppressant, which prevents the immune system from attacking the microbes inside of our intestinal tract. Butyrate almost acts like a signal to our immune system that the gut bacteria in our digestive tract are in the desirable range. But because dietary fiber is the necessary substrate for butyrate production, inadequate fiber consumption decreases the production of butyrate and increases the activity of the immune system. Additionally, we know that short-chain fatty acids increase the production of GLP-1, another molecule with a host of anti-inflammatory effects throughout the entire body. And all of these claims,
in the definitive fiber study, a systematic review and meta-analysis, they found that people who consume more fiber live longer, they're less likely to have a heart attack, they're less likely to die of heart disease, they're less likely to be diagnosed with multiple forms of cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer, esophageal cancer, less likely to die from cancer, less likely to have a stroke, less likely to be diagnosed with diabetes, and in randomized controlled trials, they lose weight, lower their cholesterol, lower their blood pressure.
have this study and multiple other lines of evidence actually supporting the claims.